Good morning, guys. Charlie wants to say good morning too. Want to say good morning to the vlog? We are staying in a hotel for 1 week. Come and join me a day in my life staying in a hotel. I'm about to clean my face. And in the morning, guys, I do not wash my face with water. I just use this because I wash my face before I go to sleep. I do my nighttime routine. So I will start my day by cleaning my face. So we are staying in the hotel for 1 week, and I will show you guys what I do for my whole day, a day in my life staying in the hotel. Say good morning. Say good morning to them. You gonna do skincare too? You wanna do skincare routine too? And then I am going to use this moisturizer with SPF 25. And of course, I brush my teeth. That's it. I am gonna go. Actually, when I'm home, that's not it. There's a lot more going on in the space if I'm home. But we are gonna go take Charlie for a walk. And I'm just gonna get ready. We are going for a walk. Taking this dog for a walk. Come, girl. And we are back. I'm making my coffee for breakfast. And I am having apple pastry. This is my coffee. And a piece of ham. And that's our breakfast. Breakfast. Happy breakfast. Okay, guys, after breakfast, I am just doing a little bit of cleaning in this room. I know it's our hotel, but I still clean. So I'm just gonna make the bed and clean over here and clean all her toys, clean her bed. So that's what we're gonna do. there's a bank there that is called Fifth Third Bank. Fifth Third Bank. Okay, which one is it? Fifth or the third? And that corner, like right here, every night there's a homeless person sleeping there. He gets there around 7 at night and he stays there all night. I feel like I want to go out there, give him food and blanket. So I open the window so he can watch TV. So he's got entertainment. You barking at the people? You barking at the people? Or that's okay, girl. That's okay. Oh, that was so nice. They were lined up over there to get, I guess, supply like food. See that building? They were waiting for the building to open up so they can get some stuff. So they're giving them probably food, water, and something they need. And that person over there that was sleeping before, she woke up too and get her stuff. I don't know why that lady is staying out there. That it's so hot. Why don't she go and move to the shade? Like right there. Well, at least she's drinking. Keep herself hydrated. I think she heard me. I think she heard me. Oh my gosh. She's moving. Can't believe that. After I said she needs to move. Wow. After I said she needs to move, she did move.
Hopefully we can get another bite.
And I was watching her for a long time, just lying there in the heat. Now that I said she needs to move, she did move. Get your toy. Get your toy. It's inside here. It's in here. Your box. It is 11, guys, and it is lunchtime. And I am going to warm my lunch. Chris is not here, he's at work. Actually, I forgot to tell you guys why I'm here. Actually, this is Chris's work time. I just came with him because he drove here to Tampa, so I can go and Charlie can go. We bought this last night and it's so much food. It's Jamaican chicken and pork and rice and cabbage. There's a fridge here in the hotel, but there's no microwave. So I have this warmer right here. So I'm going to warm my food. And this warmer is so nice. It heats up really fast. And it has this part right here, and it only needs water. I'm gonna put water. It comes with these two plates, warmer plates, And then I'm just going to put our food here. I'm gonna put one piece of chicken, one big piece of chicken, and pork. And then you just put it in here like that. And then I'll put this here. Then our rice and veggie will go to this one. Then there's a button here, and you just push that button, and then this button turns red for showing that it's heating, and it is boiling. I can hear it. So we're gonna turn it off. So just be careful because it's boiling. Look guys how hot it is. That's it guys. And Shelly has her lunch also, or snack. Come on. Sit. Good girl. Now it's time to take a shower. You be good here, girl, okay? Wanna take a shower?
But because it's
You gonna be good here? I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna stay here. Now he's gonna shower, okay? No barking, okay? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh, give me a kiss.
98 Fiance, all new Sunday on TLC.
Give me a kiss.
Ever leave your clothes in the dryer and find a wrinkled mess? Try down Wrinkle Guard fabric softener.
Good day.
Wrinkle Guard can
Shower time, but of course I'm not gonna take you in there. Shower is done because it's still half of a day, and we have so much window. I'm gonna put another moisturizer with sunscreen. This is white chocolate raspberry cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory. Snack time. Time to have some fruit, guys.
Can't give it away because she's an ultrasound tech, like that's not her job. But
Hi guys, it is 5, I think 5:40, almost 5:40. And I'm making my dinner since Chris is not back yet and I'm getting hungry. So I'm just gonna make the chicken flavor ramen noodle soup. Yum, yum, yum. And I think our water is boiling already. And we are walking again. Oh, sorry. We are walking Chile again. And this is our hotel, La Meridian. You walking again? Huh? You spoiled you. It is now 8 o'clock at night and it's so bright outside. And I'm already on my pajama. Time to do my nighttime routine skincare. And again, I'm just using this since I washed my face already. Which one to use? So I'm gonna use mask, and then after I use my mask, I'm just going to put this Olay night cream, and that's about it. So for today's menu, I will do today's menu. For today's mask, I will do the, how about this one? And this is gonna be cold. And then after this, I will brush my teeth and ready to go to bed. So thank you guys for watching, and this is my day. Pretty much the same thing I do when I'm in the house. A day in my life. Staying in a hotel for 1 week. Tagging along with my husband's job. He's here for a convention. There you go. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Good night, everyone. Ooh.